Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of nuts. Whether you're snacking on the go or looking for that perfect healthy ingredient to add to your meals, nuts can be a fantastic choice or not. Today, we'll cover 4 nuts that provide fantastic health benefits and 4 you might want to avoid or eat in moderation. Let's get into it. First on our list is almonds. Almonds are considered a nutritional powerhouse for a reason. Not only are they rich in vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps keep your skin healthy and combats oxidative stress, but they're also packed with magnesium, protein, and fiber. This combination makes almonds a great choice for heart health, as studies suggest they help lower LDL, or bad cholesterol. Additionally, almonds are known to support weight management. Their high protein and fiber content helps keep you feeling full longer, reducing those pesky cravings between meals. And here's a bonus. Eating almonds may even benefit blood sugar control, making them a fantastic snack for those with diabetes. Next, we have walnuts. These are often recognized by their unique brain-like shape, and they're actually amazing for brain health. Walnuts are the richest nut source of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, which is known to reduce inflammation and promote heart health. Omega-3s are also vital for brain function and may even help protect against cognitive decline. Research shows that regular walnut consumption may also benefit blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and even mental health. With their high antioxidant profile, walnuts also protect your cells from damage, which makes them an all-around superfood. So, for a brain and heart boost, reach for a handful of walnuts. Pistachios are not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. They're high in fiber, protein, and antioxidants, particularly lutein and zeaxanthin, which are important for eye health. Pistachios are also lower in calories than many other nuts, making them a great option if you're watching your weight. A fun fact about pistachios: they're one of the few nuts that offer a good amount of melatonin, which can help regulate sleep. Studies even show that regularly eating pistachios may lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol. So, if you're looking for a snack that supports your heart, eyes, and weight, pistachios are a great pick. Last but not least on our should-eat list are Brazil nuts. These are one of the richest food sources of selenium, a mineral crucial for immune health, thyroid function, and fighting inflammation. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day provide your recommended daily intake of selenium. Selenium also has antioxidant properties that protect your cells from oxidative stress, which means it's beneficial for heart health and can even support skin health. But be careful. Overconsumption of Brazil nuts can lead to selenium toxicity, so remember to stick to a couple of nuts per day. Cashews are loved for their creamy texture and mild flavor, but they're also high in carbohydrates and calories. While they do offer healthy fats and nutrients, they're not as nutrient-dense as other nuts and can contribute to weight gain if eaten in large amounts. Cashews also contain compounds called oxalates, which, if consumed excessively, can contribute to kidney stone formation, especially in people prone to them. So, if you love cashews, enjoy them in moderation. Although technically a legume, peanuts are often grouped with nuts. While they do contain protein and healthy fats, they're often heavily processed with added salt, oils, or flavorings. Eating too many of these processed peanuts can contribute to high sodium levels, which isn't ideal for heart health. Additionally, peanuts are prone to mold growth, which can lead to aflatoxin exposure, a compound that has been linked to liver cancer. If you're choosing peanuts, Go for raw or dry roasted versions without added salt or oil. Macadamia nuts are certainly tasty and do offer healthy monounsaturated fats, but they come with a high-calorie price tag. Just a handful can add up quickly, which can be a concern if you're watching your weight. While they're fine to enjoy once in a while, regular consumption might not be the best choice if you're aiming to maintain or lose weight. Macadamia nuts are best enjoyed as a special treat rather than a daily snack. Finally, let's talk about pine nuts. These tiny seeds are high in essential nutrients, but they can also cause something called pine mouth in some people. This is a condition that leaves a lingering bitter or metallic taste in your mouth for days. Pine nuts are also quite calorie-dense, so if you're watching your intake, be mindful of portion sizes. They're a nice addition to dishes, but eating them in large amounts may not be the best choice for your health or your taste buds. So there you have it. 4 nuts that bring incredible benefits to your diet: almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and Brazil nuts, and 4 to enjoy in moderation: cashews, peanuts, macadamia nuts, and pine nuts. Remember, nuts can be a fantastic source of nutrition, but like anything, it's all about balance and portion control. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest health tips. Let us know in the comments which of these nuts are your favorites, or if there are any other health topics you'd like us to cover. Stay healthy, and see you next time on FitLife Fusion.